everyone, welcome to kraftarina studio. So this is bohemia flower and I have 3 to 4 trees in my own society. So I thought, why not make a video on this specific flower and deconstruction it and make a real flower and leaf molds. So let's start. I have collected some specimens like there are some real flowers and leaves and birds and all. So this is the one which don't have any particular flower leaves, but still it has some pollens like this. It around 6 to 7 pollens. One is centered one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, this is the 7. And these are some samples of birds like this, and other than that we can see there are some spikes like this, 1 2 3 4 5, which have another flowers or birds, anything. These some flower petals, look at the shades. And this is the leaf, front and back view. And this is our original flower which has 5 petals. Center one is a bigger size pollen. This is a, you can see from back side also like this. And the testing and everything is, you can see clearly in the video. This is the center petal which has a darker shade rather than the other flower petals, which is lighter in color. And this is the pollen. Let's start deconstruction of it one by one, and we're going to learn how I make the real flower cutters without using any steel or metal cutters. I use my own cutouts for making the flowers and molds also. So these are our 5 flower petals. These are the pollens. This video is really helpful whoever going to make in future this flower, because the real look of flower video which going to be helpful for you like this. Okay, and this is our leaf, and these are some my another. Okay, now take any rough page or any notebook and draw the pattern according to your particular leaf or flower petal. So this is our Indian orchid. We call Bhinia as Indian orchid flower as well. So let's start. So like this, I'm going to draw the flower leaf. Now we'll do same process for flower petals also. I have this one, so we'll follow the same process. So just draw according to your flower like this and go from front to back. I'm just giving a support of a ruler because the flower is really smooth and soft. That's why it's not easy to draw accurate. So this is the final drawing, which are their flower petals. Okay, this is the rough drawing I am making. Final cutout we'll do it later. I'm just measuring the different petals of single flowers also. Okay, after that you will need a plastic folder, any kind of a little bit semi-hard folder like this, and you have to draw over it and then cut it out and your cutter is ready. Okay, I'll tell you this process afterwards. And let me show you the flower molds which I created. So this is my own flower mold. This is the leaf mold. Okay, so I have double-sided. So this is the single one. I'll show you one more. So let's go ahead the process of making the cutters. So use your regular gel pen or any pen and draw on your plastic sheet and cut according to your drawing, and your cutter is ready to make these realistic leaves and flowers in easy way without wasting any money for buying particular flower cutters. Always you can make at your home. Now you can see I am cutting this sheet, and after cutting this sheet I'll show you the accurate measurement using the real leaf on placing on the leaves. So 1 second, let's cut it out from sidewise, and yeah, it's done. So this is our flower sheet, and let's measure using the real one. So look at this, these are flower leaf, and from back side also. And following the same process, you can easily make your flower petals also. Okay, let's measure the real flower petal and our cutouts. So this is a flower, so measure it is from top to bottom. Okay, this is the real one. So from top to bottom, yeah, this accurate in size. You have to just give frills from sidewise and you're done. Okay, so these are our two cutters, and let's go ahead of our veneer. Okay, these are our double-sided veneer. So you can see these veneers have super elastic veins which we got using a real flower petal. So look at this from sidewise also. So these are double-sided veneers from top and from bottom also. You can see the same texture. I'll show you from using the leaves. So this is top and this is the bottom side. Look at this, the bottom side. Okay, let's see some flower petal double-sided veneers also. So this one is front side veneer. Let me show you some closer look of it. So this is the front one, upper one, and I have another one. So this is the back side of one. Look at this, the texture is super amazing, and when you use these molds, your flower look really real and amazing. The veinings are super duper amazing. Let's check out some birds also. I have some bird samples also. So these are our birds. You can make these birds easy way using any tool, and we have some star shape, and these are the pollens. Okay, I'll show you my own CP clay Bohemia flower very soon. Until then, bye.